Hi everyone, I'm the co-executive producer of the Global Beauty Awards. I'm Maureen Francisco. As you may know, the GBAs is just right around the corner. I'm here at Concordia Star Medical Aesthetics in Puyallup, Washington, because I'm here to see Dr. Lady Demondon, and she's going to give me the Collagen Glam Infusion treatment. Now, this is customized for my own skin, and she's going to be using my own growth factor to give me the most radiant skin.
Hi, Maureen. It's nice to see
Dr.
you.
Lady. I'm ready for my glow up.
All right, let's get started.
Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking treatment that begins with an innovative step, drawing blood. But don't worry, this isn't just any blood draw. It's the gateway to your radiant transformation. Welcome, this is Dr. Demondon. What we're doing here is harnessing the incredible power of your own growth factors. That's right. These potent elements found in your blood are natural healing agents that work wonders to rejuvenate and renew your skin from within. After we draw your blood, it's placed in a specialized centrifuge. It's like extracting liquid gold. But it doesn't stop there. We take this customized cocktail and blend it with our proprietary ingredients, a unique fusion designed to supercharge collagen production. Imagine a concoction specifically made for you, revitalizing your skin on a cellular level. The result? A complexion that doesn't just look fresh but glows with radiant vitality. Your skin will feel firmer, plumper, and rejuvenated as new collagen works its magic to unveil a youthful, luminous glow. It's like rediscovering your skin's natural beauty. So, if you're seeking an exciting way to turn back the clock and unveil your best self, this treatment could be your ticket to a breathtaking transformation. Get ready to shine like never before. Embrace the future of skincare, where your body's own powers meet unparalleled innovation. Check out the Collagen Glow Infusion Therapy. Are you ready to glow?